Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this video I'm talking about reasons why some men do not marry the women they date. They date you, and when it's time for marriage they marry someone else. Why does that happen? Are you new to my channel? Click on the subscribe button down below and the notifications bell so that when I post a video, you get a message notifying you. I'm sure most of you know a couple that broke up after a very long time, and the guy proposed to the next girl he just met. And these here are the reasons. I want you to listen, and to listen very well. Number one, there is no such thing as the right woman. You hear people saying, she is the right woman, this is the right woman he has met. No, there is no such thing as the right woman. The most important thing is to be with this man at the right time. Men do not wait or look for the right woman. Once the man is ready to marry, once they've made up their mind that they are now ready, the woman who will be there is the woman who will get the proposal. Generally, most men are ready to marry between 28 and 32. And after that, not all but most, after that age, chances of this man wanting marriage are going to drop so much. They will always be saying, should I not? Should I not? So if they finally make up their mind to finally get married or marry someone, the woman who is there is the one who will get the proposal. Number two, you can't build a home based on physical attraction. So when a man is dating a woman and the woman is too much clinged on how physically attractive she is to the man, men don't find that so appealing. When a woman works so hard to look nice, to have her hair well kept, to look very nice, a very small percentage of men who were asked to describe their most favorite brides talked about maybe she's sexy, she's adorable, she's beautiful, she's hot. A very tiny small percentage, whereas a very big percentage talked about the woman's characteristics, the woman's traits. Things like she's clean, she's presentable, she's hardworking, she's a wise woman, she's a mother, she's a good mother. Those are the things they talk about. As opposed to the 20% who were talking about she's gorgeous, she's attractive. You get it? So, if a woman is too much bent on looking attractive for the man than to have the characteristics that makes them a woman of substance, they are less likely to get that marriage proposal. Number three, the opinion of his friends and his family can greatly affect that marriage proposal. You can be with a man for a long time, do all the right things. When the friends and family don't like you, they keep telling him negative things about you. Let me tell you, he who chooses a wife will be influenced by people who are close to him. So much Parents can expect too much. Parents' expectations can be very different from what the girl can offer, the girl their son brings home. Now, the friends, if they keep telling their friend something negative things about you, the lady, chances are high that he won't choose you. Except if he has a very high independent mind. And that is just a few percentage of guys who do that. Number 4. Most men are sure that their women are comfortable and satisfied with what's happening. Maybe they're in a dating relationship. So, if you, the woman, don't verbally talk, express what you want, you won't get it. If you want this man to marry you, but you don't talk about it, you're comfortable with giving you some money, washing for him, sleeping with him. You're just there, you're expecting the ring, but you're not saying anything, you're quiet. This man is not a mind reader. He's not going to miraculously read your mind and know that you want him to marry you. You will keep quiet until he finally sees that you don't even want to get married, and he will get someone who wants to get married. Because you don't talk about it means you don't like it anyway. You're satisfied with whatever you have with him. Do you know that you can be with a man for a long time, he doesn't propose to you, and you later become a side chick of the man? He gets someone else, proposes, marries this person, gives you rules and regulations. You're supposed to respect her, she's my wife, blah, 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 if you want to stay with me. And you end up becoming the side chick of the man. Women who actually remain silent about their wishes, my dear, they never get the wedding ring. Very few do. Stand your ground and say what you want. Like the Bible says, ask and you will receive. I'm not saying you propose to the man if you don't want. If you want to receive the proposal, tell him you're expecting it. Let him know. Number 5, are you cohabiting? Now, moving in and living together decreases the chances of ever getting married by 50%. Let's say most men propose after 2 years of the relationship, maybe 1.5 years. But if that doesn't happen, then you move into this man's home. 2 years, 3 years down the road, chances of this man ever proposing and marrying you reduce to 50%. Because you know why? You are already married. He's getting all the benefits of a married man. 7 years down the road, 5 to 7 years down the road, you are already staying and living together with this guy. Your chances of ever getting that proposal are 0 to 1%. I don't want you to forget. I don't want you to forget that men and women view things differently. They see things and perceive things differently. For a woman, living together with a man will be perceived as a first step to marriage. You think that you are closer enough, you are soon getting married. Whereas to a man, they totally forget that they have to register the marriage. They think that, we are already like married people. We stay together. We are doing ABCD together. So why go ahead and waste money and time registering a marriage? So they totally and completely forget about it. It becomes irrelevant. So ladies, watch out. Before you move in, think about it. Number 6, some men just don't want to stay alone. They don't want to stay alone, so they will have you conveniently for this period of time as they prepare themselves for marriage, as they get that job, they get that apartment, they get that car, they get that land, they get that business. After they are done getting them, this is now your time to step aside and they marry. They don't want to stay alone during this difficult time. So they get a woman to support them, to stay with them, but it's only temporary. So lady, you have to know where you fall. Are you a temporary person or you are for the future? To him, not to you, but to him. Find out who you are to him. And find out now before you waste your time. A convenient woman, a woman a man uses for convenience, is not the woman they want for their future. For their future, they want a woman of substance, a woman of valor, a woman who isn't easily good, a woman who stands down and say, to be with you, we have to be married. A woman who knows what they want, a woman who values herself. That is the woman they want for the future. Not you, the easy one who came and even started staying with them. You don't require much. You're just there. Number 7, not all relationships are supposed to end with a wedding. Some people stay together, but they know they are not supposed to be together. Maybe for pity, maybe because they are getting some support from one another. They reach a level, they've spent a long time together and they start to imagine, what is life without this person? How will it be? They feel they are not compatible. They know it deep in their subconscious mind. But they hold on there. They say, let me stay. But deep down they know they don't want to be together. Maybe they've hurt each other most times, and they've not forgiven each other. And most girls have this mentality that when a relationship takes so long, it automatically grows into a family. It automatically becomes a family. So they hold on there, yet this man maybe doesn't want to marry her. Maybe is not ready to marry her. They keep there playing the good girlfriend, the good wife. They don't ask questions. They don't want to annoy. They do everything for him, etc. And one day, he's not going to marry you. He marries someone else. Because whether you like it or not all relationships are supposed to end into marriage, ladies. If you have your other reasons as to why men date women and then marry others, leave them in the comment section. Let us hear from you. Let me hear from you. Let us share. Let us talk. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, subscribe. You are welcome to my family. Please subscribe. Click on the subscribe button down below. Follow my handles. Facebook is at Nora82. If you want to book a counseling session, go to noraarake.com/booking. Thank you. I love you. Let me wait for your comments. See you in the next video. Bye.